Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of generalizing transformations. This is standard 8.10a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 10 of the 2018 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got a trapezoid here, and it's going to be rotated 180 degrees about the origin. It doesn't matter whether it's clockwise or counterclockwise because it's going to end up the same way. If you're going 180 degrees, that's half of a circle. But it's going to be interesting because this trapezoid is already in all four quadrants, so it's going to kind of be an overlapping new trapezoid into this PQRS prime. So let's see if first we can at least visualize what that is, because we have a specific notation when we're talking about 180 degrees rotation. So our x and our y simply become negative x and negative y. So that's pretty simple, but I want to go ahead and take a moment to graph that. So first we need to make a table. It's going to help us with our graph. And so we are going to take our trapezoid here, and we're going to take our P, Q, R, and S. You know what? Let's just go ahead and put our X and Y's down there. So P is going to be negative 4, 4. Q is going to be, what's that, 2, 4. R is going to be 4, negative 2. S is going to be negative 5, negative 2. Now, why does this help us? Well, I want to go ahead and get my P prime, my Q prime, my R prime, and my S prime. I just want to go ahead and graph those. So we know that those are negative x and negative y. That's the notation we use when we're rotating 180 degrees about the origin. Clockwise or counterclockwise doesn't matter. So I'm going to take my x and my y, and I'm just going to flip the positive to a negative and the negative into a positive. So my negative 4 becomes 4, and my 4 becomes negative 4. Let's go ahead and graph that to see what that looks like. So it's going to be 4, negative 4. So my P prime is going to be down there. Q prime, it's instead of 2, 4, it's going to be negative 2, negative 4. So it's going to go over here to quadrant 3. So negative 2, negative 4. So that's Q prime. And you see that base of the trapezoid starting to take shape there. So the 4 becomes a negative 4 for R prime. The negative 2 becomes positive 2. So negative 4, 2. So you see we are going to definitely overlap here. This is my R prime. And I just need one more. I need that S prime. So my negative 5, negative 2 becomes 5, 2. Both become positive. 5, 2. And there we go. There's my S prime. And you see the trapezoid starting to take shape. Overlapping, not really pretty, but now that we've looked at it, let's take a look at our statements here. So the sum of the angle measures of trapezoid PQRS is 180 degrees less. No, if it's a trapezoid, it's a quadrilateral, and all quadrilaterals have 360. Doesn't matter whether you rotate it or not. It's a quadrilateral. It's got 360 degrees. So we're not going to do less or more. G, trapezoid PQRS is not congruent. All I did was rotate it. So it looks like it's congruent to me. I just rotated it. I didn't dilate it at all. The area of PQRS is less than. No, I think the area is the same. I just rotated it. I didn't dilate it. If I dilate it, shrink it, or enlarge it, that's where the congruence and the area does not become equal. The angle measures of trapezoid PQRS are equal to. Yeah, they're equal because I just rotated it. So my answer is J.